Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be doing an unboxing review of the Cosori Pro Gen 2 5.8 quart smart air fryer. Let's begin. On the left side here we have the first generation of the Cosori air fryer. The model for this one is CS158AF, and on the right side this model is CS168AF. I bought this air fryer back in 2020 and it has been really reliable. But since there's a recall on this specific air fryer, they sent me a new one for free. If you want some more information on the recall for the older generation of the Cosori air fryer, go to my YouTube channel under the Communities tab and you'll find all the information right there. Alright, let's open it up. This is what it looks like in the box. Okay, let's take it out. Gonna remove this. This is what it looks like right out of the box. On top of the air fryer, there's a safety precaution label. And we're just gonna peel it off. There's another protective layer on the interface of the air fryer. It also says that there's some plastic inside the basket, and we'll remove that too. But first, we'll remove this one. And now we remove some of the extra plastic inside the basket. Gonna release it. Looks like there's some cardboard inside. We'll remove that too. And place the basket back inside. I just plugged it in, and we're gonna put the basket back in. The new air fryer looks just about the same as the old one. However, the new air fryer has a gray handle. We're going to check out the interface. We're going to turn it on. And the interface looks just about the same as the old one. So the interface is steak, chicken, fish, shrimp, bacon, and a defrost button, French fries, vegetables, bread, and cake. And it has a preheat button like the first generation. Looks like the new generation interface is made out of the same material as the older generation. However, I wish they made the new generation material a little bit more durable. The reason why I say that is because the plastic interface can scratch really easily over time. In the box, it also comes with an envelope. Let's open it up. So it comes with some recipes, and if you need some support, here's the information. There's a quick reference guide and the user manual. It looks pretty self-explanatory. There's also an app for this air fryer, and if you want to download the app, you can scan that QR code right there. Overall, the second generation Cosori air fryer looks really nice, and I can't wait to use it in my next video. Like I said before, if you need more information about the recall for the first generation Cosori air fryer, you can go to my YouTube channel under the Communities tab and you'll find more information there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more future reviews and recipes.